What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into something. Damn nature, you scary. Nature can be scary. I don't know if y'all saw the monkey on my shoulder, but it could damn sure be a scary thing to have a monkey on your shoulder. To run into a damn great white shark would probably be my first and foremost. I love scuba diving. Let me tell you, I love everything about it. I love the peace and tranquility. I love the alien feel of down there. But I don't want to meet a great white shark in person. I don't. Not while I'm in the water. No, thank you. Maybe from a boat. That might be kind of cool to see one once. Maybe from a cage. Possibly. Depending. Like, you ain't throwing out no food around me or nothing like that. We're not doing no craziness. But nature can be scary as shit sometimes. So let's jump in. Let's check it out together. You guys requested it. I'm just here bringing it to you. If you enjoy it, get over at Show Top Things some love on their channel. We're already subbed up. We've already hit the like button. You should too. All of the links are right there inside of the description. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Shit, we started with how you gonna start with number one? I knew we were gonna have some sort of a shark because I could obviously see the shark thing down here in the corner. But I didn't know it was just going to be like some breaching great white shark. We got to make sure we got all the sound on this one. No. Woof. That's a great
what up, y'all? We back
monster
again.
of a beast.
Top Things. This diver is spearfishing in the deep blue ocean and encounters a great white shark before deciding to return to the surface.
Fuck. No! Holy shit! Yeah! Kick your feet like you ain't never kicked your feet. Turn into a dolphin temporarily and get my ass to the surface.
White!
Yeah, white. Hell, yeah, get the f out of the water.
Making noises.
Hey, bro, he just did a little taste bite. He wanted to see if he's going to enjoy his meal later. You better get the hell out of there. That was a damn tasteful lick if I ever seen one from a bear. He was trying to test the honey.
Making noises.
Ooh, this one kind of tastes like vanilla.
A grizzly bear and her cubs sneak into the backyard garden of a home in Bradbury, California. The dogs of the homeowner rush in the fence, and the encounter with the animal groups reach a climax.
Yo, she wasn't playing around. You better get off her, dog. My girl just seriously ran to the backyard and threw a grizzly bear off the wall. Y'all saw it happen just like I did. She choke slammed that. But yo, the things people will do for their pets.
It's just insane. Oh my gosh.
That's a monster.
Dude, are you
A black grizzly bear was spotted in the woods of Canada, and a forest ranger tries to warn the drivers to be aware of it. The bear responds territorial, as it's in its nature to be, and luckily there was no harm done on the bear or the people.
Oh, shut up. Get that video. Get on video.
I don't like that at all. It's literally every hair on my body standing up just from the sound alone. I can only imagine what that sound like underwater, and I would not want to be there. Did you hear? Oh no. Hell no. That thing is way too big. That is an intimidating creature, size-wise alone. I don't want to be nowhere near you when you torpedo out the top of the water.
Get on video.
No, I don't like this sound at all. This is horrifying. I mean, snakes got a drink too. Thank you, human. I have a feeling he's done this a few times.
What the crap?
Never have I ever feared my life on a watercraft thinking about a bear. Until right this moment. I've seen goats swimming across the lake. Lots of fish and stuff probably under that water that I don't want to tangle with, depending upon where you are in the world. But never did I think you would run to a bear with a boat.
What the crap?
An Atlantic great white shark was spotted suddenly, and it seems as though it rose up for an attack. Luckily, there were no injuries.
Yo, his butthole just puckered. If you saw the way his legs move, I promise you, that man has a whole different outlook of that shark now.
Whoa! Holy crap! It dove right out of the water. You see that? Man! Did you see that?
Bro, you lucky he wasn't able to get up there. He was really trying to get your ass. You did something to piss him off. You're too close to this thing in a kayak now. Get the fuck out of there. Yeah, holy fucking shit is right. I do not want to be in the... I don't want to be this close to one big ass whale in a kayak, let alone a whole fucking pod of them.
Tell me things, Valio. You say hi?
Ooh, I love her.
Hi.
These snorkelers came across a saltwater crocodile in the coast of Micronesia. Although the crocodile was aggressive, the people were able to avoid a serious attack.
Hey, bro. You almost lost a kneecap. Nah, he was not. He was gonna get you too. It's a good thing you kicked your feet.
Alright, we're in neutral.
No. I don't even want to. Y'all gonna ruin damn scuba diving for me. This is why I don't stay on. Look at the fin. Look at the fin, though.
That was a bad idea! Get on the boat! Ryder! Oh, I touched it! Holy fuck! Get on the boat!
Bro, that's not a whale shark. That's not a whale. That's not a... That is not... That's the last thing I want to dive into the water and see. Let's just put it that way. Absolutely ridiculous.
Dude, that's a... That's not a basking shark, dude.
My man, did you hear him when he hit it, though? Did you hear him? The very first words out of his mouth? That was a bad idea. No shit.
Ryder.
Oh, no, Sir Moose. You may have the right of way, sir. Size has its privileges. It's letting you know you better go on ahead and stay behind that fucking tree, human. Like, nah, moose are way bigger than we give them credit for, than we actually know about. We see them, we like, oh yeah, it's pretty. In my head, I had pictured them as kind of like a horse with antlers, and that's not what it is at all. When you see them in the wild, and I've seen a few in the wild, they are ginormous. That look like they could kill you with a sweep of their head, and I bet they can. Like, no. Moose are, I don't want to come face to face, toe to toe with no moose. I would stay the fuck out of your way. You just keep on going. It's a lot of damn muscle and meat right there. Look at that shit.
Tourists in Rwanda were trekking through the jungles when they came across a...
First of all, trekking through the jungle in Rwanda. Nope. You're gonna end up running into some gorillas. Nope.
Tourists in Rwanda were trekking through the jungles when they came across a silverback gorilla. They decided to change course and find another pathway to avoid a potentially dangerous encounter.
Oh, holy fucking shit. No. God damn. Homie came out of there with a vengeance. They're so creepy, some of these damn.
An angry wild bull was found somewhere in the streets of a city in India. The city was said to be a tourist spot, and many tourists were shocked to see the bull in a public area.
I mean, I hope you got bull insurance. That's not a house cat. That's for damn sure.
Don't touch my car, please. I was washing it today.
And don't touch my car, please.
She got a tick on her eye. She got ticks on her eye.
He got tick on his eye.
His eye. Boy.
Yo. That was awesome. Like, I've been on a safari with elephants. There's some butthole puckering moments. Some moments that'll make you wonder, what the fuck am I doing on this safari? Being chased by an elephant. It happens. It's terrifying. But that was just like the most respectful, peaceful interaction of all time.
This is Nana's grandson.
Don't touch my car, please. She listened to him. Oh.
The majestic blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Here, one is spotted breaching from the water. Whales and dolphins do this to show alpha superiority and dominance.
That was a...
He's just come straight at me again. Oh, how intimidating is this? Yes! Look at this! The big old dog. Please, hey. Come on, mate. That is so sick! Woo! See you later, bud. Yes!
Mate, don't come up on the board.
Despite what was said in the video, it's actually a swamp alligator, not a crocodile. In Homestead, Florida, alligators don't stay confined to the swampy areas. They can be found roaming around pretty much all over the state.
I know you're here, buddy. I know you're here. There he is.
Are you using your hand?
Oh my God. That's a big American crocodile. Oh my God. Holy crap. This has to be the one from last time. Oh my God.
Look at this snake. Right
Yeah,
This is an eastern hognose snake.
big ass
And they puff up their mouth
mouth
just
on
like
them.
this. And look just like a cobra.
Rear fang
They're
snake.
completely harmless. That is so cool. Hi there, little fella. Hey there, little guy. Oh no, he's angry! He's angry!
Don't mess with me while I'm sleeping.
If you're trekking in the woods of Alaska, be aware of grizzly bears. The best thing to do is remain calm and still until it passes through before continuing. The bears are aggressive, so it's best not to provoke them.
Now you just keep on going now. Don't make a circle around me.
Great way to start off our bear trip.
That was incredible. That it didn't rip us apart.
Holy.
Where the
You
fuck
are
did
right
you come
beside
from?
Like right there. You are a big bastard.
They-
Alright, so I guess you want this fish.
They are big bastards.
It's not a very big fish, but you can have it. There you go, buddy. Well, that's awesome.
Hell yeah, I'd give him the fish too. That's freaking fantastic. I'm like a eagle friend.
All right, well, keep trying to catch more.
Very cool. Off to have a snack.
Gorilla safari tours are available in only 3 countries:
No,
Rwanda,
thanks.
Uganda, and the Republic of Congo.
No.
You'll need a permit to go on such tours because the gorillas are very rare.
Come up, he's going to come down past you. And just sit still when he does. Get your feet out the way. Oh, he's going down that way.
Gorgeous, gorgeous animal. Yo, I never seen a whale shark chase a boat. That's for damn sure. Nope.
That's awesome. What? Look at it. What's it doing, man? Oh, he's baiting a yakker or something. That is wild shot.
Look at the size of that monster. Super clear water.
One thing that's commonly known around the world about Australia is its host of exotic animals. This giant lizard was found in a local shopping mall and a man carries it back outside.
That is a beautiful cat.
Can I get an interview, sir?
Possum. They're terrifying. Be careful.
Where are you from? Where are you going? You want to be our pet? Can I help you with anything? Call you an Uber?
Yeah, let me get you an Uber and get you the hell out of my yard.
Go get him. Dad. Marlon doesn't even know it's there. I want to scare him. I don't want him to try and get inside or something.
Oh my god. Shut the door. Hold the handle. They're smart. They can hold the handle. Dad, hold.
They're smart. They can hold the handle. They're huge. They don't need to.
The handle. So he doesn't open the fucking door.
Milo, look.
Oh my god.
Put the wood.
Put your cake away.
This aggressive bull attacks a parked moped on the street. Perhaps it's because the shape of the moped resembles another bull and the barking noise sounded like a taunting gesture which provoked the attack.
So, I've fed squirrels chips. Let's try turtles.
Hey, I like this guy. I watch his videos.
I see him coming. Here he comes.
Yappy.
Here he comes.
Oh, of course. Of course.
What? I think he wants more.
Yappy and chicken with Jordan.
Whoa.
Squirrel ninjas. We gotta watch out for them.
Ow. Ow. Oh.
They're everywhere. What the fuck is going on?
It's like being in a Hitchcock movie.
Right?
That's right.
Like what you see? You're gonna love what we have next. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys again on the next one.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Damn nature, you scary, funny, scary animal encounters. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you get over and show top things some love. I'm already subbed up. I've already done my part. You do yours. It's right there inside of the description. I've made it really easy for you. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Check out the other video over here. Until the next one, highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.